The Majurity Trust is a philanthropy organization that works with donors, social impact partners and communities to build a thriving and sustainable Singapore for all. So we have raised over 60 million from a collective of 500 donors to support close to 300 startup, non-profit charities and social enterprises. And just last November, we launched Foundry, our home base for collective impact, where we work with partners, residents and the larger Majurity Trust ecosystem to create impact for Singapore. Majurity Trust is at an inflection point to accelerate a more collaborative philanthropy in Singapore, working across the many donors that we work with. Now this is where Workato comes in. With their automation and system orchestration and their ability to help us streamline processes and data flows, it allows us to do what we do better. It allows our donors to know more. It allows our charity partners, our grantee partners to be better at what they are doing in serving the ground. By partnering with Workato, our goal is to reframe how the non-profit sector scales their impact through better technology and better integration. Workato help us to do good and do good better.
So the reality is that social workers are often overburdened with a lot of administrative tasks. And wanting to care for communities and being accountable for donor dollars, charities tend to be very conservative, perhaps even too conservative about channeling resources to overhead costs. So most of it goes to running programs. However, without good foundations and back-end systems, charities miss out on big opportunities to leverage data and insights to drive better program outcomes, and crucially, to manage the organization well. With Workato, we aim to show that if charities invested in technology, they can orchestrate their processes better, which will have a catalytic effect on helping their frontline staff to do better. But like everyone else in the charity sector, we are resource stretched.
Through the support from Workato, it now enables us to swiftly onboard our donors and consistently auto-generate their term sheets. The platform also allows us to track all our donor pledges by seamlessly integrating data across our CRM software HubSpot and accounting software Xero. This way, our finance team gets notified ahead of upcoming donations and can follow up at the right time. Workato even auto-creates Google Drive folders for us when new deals are created on HubSpot, ensuring that we are in full compliance with standard operating procedures. Today, our Foundry team uses Workato to onboard and offboard resident charities as well. We sync data between systems like DocuSign, SurveyMonkey, Airtable and Spacebring to ensure our charities can collect their access cards and begin booking rooms the day they come in.
Working with Workato saves us more than 30% of our time from admin work. Our team can then focus on talking to the donors to help them see the work that we do at Majurity Trust. This encourages donors to give more, to contribute more meaningfully to the charities and the causes they are involved in. We improve the donor experience as well. They are guaranteed the term sheets, and this is fully compliant with our governance requirements, and it allows our donors to know where their money is going to in a full and transparent way. As for our Foundry team, they can guarantee a seamless onboarding experience for our residents. They can get to know each other better, they can get to know the work each other are doing better for greater level of collaboration with one another.
We are really grateful to partner with the Majurity Trust to amplify and scale how we give back, especially to non-profit who may lack deep technical expertise. Through our Workato Cares program, we are proud to pledge 1% of our time, resources and product to address these unseen needs of this non-profit and create a bigger impact for our community.
Charities, just like any other business, need to be able to invest in technology and their back end to do what they do better, to help our donors do philanthropy differently and meaningfully, for our grantee partners to deliver better services to the communities and uplift them. Together, we can truly build a Singapore that thrives.